Good morning, K2, and welcome back for another lesson on ways to help our Earth. Today we're going to talk about a new way to save our Earth, and that is saving energy. And Connor, you actually wrote about this on I Can Help the Earth by Writing activity. You said we can unplug things, so we're going to read about that in our book today. And this is another way to help save, what is our big word? The environment. Okay. Help the environment, saving energy. Right away, I see on the front cover a photograph of a light bulb. So energy must have something to do with light or the way things work. Saving Energy by Charlotte Gullion. Look, a text feature, table of contents, tells us what the story is going to be about, in what order, and on what page. Okay, you know how to read this page now. Help me read. What is the environment? The environment is the world all around us. We need to care for the environment. How is this little girl helping the environment? Yes, just like we learned yesterday, she's recycling instead of throwing things in the trash. Okay, our big heading at the top, what is energy? And I see a label and lines. These lines, let's talk about real quick where these lines are going. This line is going to the light above the stove. This line is going, can you tell what is that? The coffee maker. What is this line pointing to? The oven or the stove. This line's pointing to, what is that called? The microwave. And what is this one? The refrigerator. What do all of these things have in common? Yes, they're all in the kitchen. And what do they all use? These things use energy. Energy makes many things work. If energy wasn't on, would these things be able to work? No. We can help the environment by saving energy. How is this woman saving energy? All I see is her cutting the light off. Let's read and find out. Ways to save energy. We use energy to light our homes. Look at the lights on in this apartment. Yeah. When we turn off lights, we save energy. We help the environment. So friends, if you're not in a room and the light's on, go back in and cut it off. Here, Sean, come here and watch. Oh, another label. Let's see what it's pointing to. It's pointing to this heater right here, and it says gives heat. We use energy to heat our homes or the air conditioning in the summertime. When we use less heat, we save energy and we help the environment. So turn down your AC or your heat. Okay. Oh, another label, and it's pointing to this. What is this? A pot on a stove. So the water's probably what? Hot. That's right, hot water. We use energy to heat water. When we use less hot water, we save energy. We help the environment. We saw this photograph when we were learning about saving water. So in this picture, when you're washing dishes, you're using heat and you're using water. Two ways you can help save the environment. Cut the water off and use less heat. Look at the picture. What is this family doing? They're watching TV together. And what is using energy? The TV. We use energy to make TVs work. When we turn off the TV, we save energy. We help the environment. So if you're not watching the TV, if anybody's watching it, cut it off. Helps the environment. Look at this photograph. What is this little boy doing? He's playing on the computer. What uses energy in this picture? The computer. We use energy to make computers work. What do you think that it's going to tell us to do? What do you think the words are going to tell us to do? Let's use the picture as a clue. What does it look like he's doing? Looks like he's pressing the power button. And what do you think he's doing? cutting it off. Let's see if we're right. When we turn off the computer, we what, guys? We save energy. And what does that do? We help the environment. I bet you're reading this book with me. If not, let's try the next page together. First, look at the pictures. What in the picture uses energy? Yeah, I see lights, and the lights are on the cars use energy. What else uses energy? The cars themselves, right? We use energy to make cars work. When we walk or take the bus, we save energy. We help the environment. So we're not going to school right now, but we do come back because we will be back together. This is a way that you can help save energy. Walking or biking to school. Or taking the bus. Look at this picture. Wow, I see a lot of things that use energy. I see lots of lights. I see, oh, I thought that was something else. I see, yeah, lots of lights. And I know that this looks like a mall. And malls, I know, have escalators and elevators. All of those things use energy. We can help what, guys? Save energy. Good job. We can help the environment. How are they helping? How is this child saving energy? Pull out your whisper turtle and tell them. Okay, let's see if you're right. How is this child saving energy? They're cutting off the lights. That's right. Remember, when you cut off the lights when you're not in that room, you're doing what? Saving energy. Picture glossary in the back. Another nonfiction text feature. Let's see what bold words we saw. Again, environment, the world around us. And our new word, energy. Say that word, energy. Something that is used to make things work. Lights, computers, and cars need energy to make them work. All right, guys, give yourself a pat on the back. And let's add our new way to save the earth, help our earth, to our circle map. Now, one thing I want to say about the word save, do you notice anything about this word? Listen to the sounds. Save. Save. A said the what? The long sound. It said its name. Save energy. So we know we can save water, reuse and recycle, and now we know we can save energy. So keep practicing ways to save the earth, even though officially Earth Day is over. So what are some ways, really quick, we can save energy? Think. What are some ways? Turn off the lights. Turn off the TV. Turn off your computer when you're not using it. Unplug things when you're not using it, like Connor told me in his writing. Walk or ride the bus, or ride your bike instead of using your car. All ways to help save our planet. Okay, everybody, have an awesome day. Sean, tell everybody bye.
Bye.